This is the Zap Audio Test Rig is what I call it. A multi-function unit. It has a JYE Tech oscilloscope 150 DSL. Here's a pretty standard kit that everybody knows. A XR2206 function generator. A PIC Frequency Counter. A LCR component tester, and a complete power supply with plus and minus variable 1.2 to 25 volt, 25 volt AC outputs, and 5, 9, and 12 volt dedicated outputs. Top I have capacitor decade board, a resistor decade board, an inductor decade board, and a PCM motor controller. This is the rear of the unit. AC, 24 volt AC input on a 3-pin microphone jack. All voltages are fused. A little bit of a heat vent out the back. The 25 volts, the AC that comes into this unit is taken from an old stereo power amplifier with probably about 8 amps possible, but the power supply inside is limited to 1.5.